Y'all, when I tell y'all it is extremely hot, whoo. But we back with another video, y'all. Let me say it the right way. My bad. What up, YouTube? Red Lifestyle back with another video, man. I'm currently putting my supercharger in right now. Just in the process of, putting everything back in, injectors and stuff like that, and plugging it up. And I was like, yo, I didn't even shoot my video yet. Y'all, I'm slipping, I'm tripping, I know. Bear with me, man. Giving y'all these back-to-back videos, man. I'm getting back on it just so y'all know. For those new checking in, man, this is Menace. My 2016 HELLCAT. Not too long ago, I actually ran into the issue where I blew a hole in piston 7. And yeah, so ever since then, we noticed, problems with the car and stuff like that. My supercharger started tick chirping, but we found out, as y'all heard in the previous video, what was causing that. It was basically my bearings went out in it. So what I did find out is in the 2015 and 16 HELLCAT, the superchargers were trash. You know what I'm saying? So we're getting this one back up and running. So if I do run into another issue where it's butt again, or something happens, the mechanic, my mechanic now, you my mechanic now, sucker. You got no choice. I'm gonna drop his stuff right here. For anybody that wanna go use the services, dude's amazing. He's like the Mopar guru when it comes to this stuff.
Let's make sacred pact. I promise teach karate. That's my part. You promise learn. I say you do. No question.
He told me to get the 2018 and up supercharger. So that's basically what I'm gonna be looking for, the 2018 and up supercharger. We're gonna finish up this, cooling lines on, get everything on. And then by the time I pick it back up, we should be doing the first crank up, y'all. And let y'all hear, and we're gonna listen for the noise, and hopefully everything turns out fine. That's the goal, that's the hopeful point. Then I gotta let him know. And then the next thing I'm doing is my fuel pump, which I think I already took the back seat out. Oh no, it is loose though. The back seat is loose. So that'll be next, is doing the seat. I'm sorry, I said the seat, the fuel pump. Cause I know I need dual fuel pumps. I'm doing dual fuel pumps. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Dual fuel pumps is the way to go, and I need that. That's the next moves for the car, y'all. Telling y'all, we getting this thing back up, man. We're getting it back up. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. It's crazy. We at 1,600. We on the road to 2K. Give me a minute, man. Let me finish putting this in. I'll get back in with y'all. It's hot. It's hot. It is hot. So, all right, y'all. Give me a second. Yeah, I'm a triple check again, y'all, to make sure. Because y'all know, all right, so I got the belt on. The belt is on nice and tight. The clips is on. The injectors are seated in. All my hoses for the fuel and stuff is clipped up. My coolant hoses are in. The supercharger plug back there is in. Nothing else back there got unplugged. I got my, cold air intake lines in here. I got this. Yeah, I got that plugged in down there. Don't know what it is really, but I know I plugged it back in. I got, everything's on this side is back in and seated. I got the lines plugged in. This supercharger thingy plugged in. Everything's plugged in. Tightened up. This is plugged in for the throttle body. I think, yeah. All right, y'all, it's on, man. I'm real deal legit sweating in this mug, boy. Like, woo! But we got it all done. Turn my light on. I don't think y'all can really see. But yeah, we got it all in there, man. I done checked all the connections and made sure everything was squared away, tightened up. All my military folk, y'all know what squared away is, you feel me? Make sure everything is squared away. Dress right dress. I didn't put this stuff on yet, the guard thingy. Not guard thing, I'm sorry. Where the wipers and stuff go, like the shield over there. I didn't put that back in there yet, just cause I just want to make sure it's all good in case I gotta snatch anything out. I ain't trying to go through all that, you feel me? So, I want to start it up and check it first, top my coolants off. Cause I did lose some coolant, I know that. When I took that line off, boy, it was just, what's the word? Spewing. It was spewing everywhere. Oh, y'all, I just thought about something. So of course, you know, you're supposed to disconnect the battery when you're doing this stuff, right? I closed the trunk.
Oh, you are so dumb. You are really dumb.
And what's crazy is I don't never close my trunk in the garage. Like if I ever go in the garage, I would never close it. And I have people all the time that come over to the house, hey, your trunk open, your trunk open. It's like, I know, this is my garage. Like I don't really care. This time I close it. Make it make sense. Come on, right? Make it make sense, right?
Eventually.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't think this is gonna crank up on the first go. And I'll also be honest, kind of nervous. It's my first time taking the supercharger out, putting it back. I mean, it really ain't much to it, but you know, like I say, when it comes to this, I be overthinking. Let's see. Air pumps.
That was easy.
All right, y'all. Supercharger is back. Sounding great. Sounds real good. Ain't got no complaints over here, boy. He looked out for your boy. He got it sounding lovely. Yep. No issues. No issues whatsoever. Alright, now I gotta finish getting the rest of this stuff on. But for now, y'all, hey, I'm happy. He wanted me to start it up so that I can get it, you know, so he can hear it. And yeah, so I'm happy. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. Next thing is the freaking fuel pump. So, yeah. After I get the fuel pump right, hey y'all, I'm about to be back in there because then I'm gonna get my tune redone. And once I get the tune redone, it's over for you suckers. It's over. Y'all about to feel all 800 and some change of my horsepower, and maybe more than that. I would never tell. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. This one was just me putting the supercharger back in, letting y'all know I am actually doing the work on it.
Boy, if you don't...
This is me letting y'all know I actually do put hands on my whip. You know what I'm saying? We got more than just verbal tunes and stuff over here. So, next thing, I already told y'all what's gonna happen. So, just stay tuned. Rock with your boy, man, because, hey, we about to end this year strong, you feel me? We ending this year super strong. So until next time, it's your boy, Right Lifestyle, checking out. Peace.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.